So how do you know if your financial plan or your saving and investment strategy is right for you? I mean, everyone is shouting at you, invest this way, buy land, go into the stock market, there's so much information out there in the world. And how do you know if it is right for you, for your plans, for your ambitions, for your future? I think that's the difference that we offer here in the Centonomy 101 program. The 101 program is designed to empower you with the knowledge to make your own financial decisions that are right just for you. In the class, you'll never hear any of the instructors saying, do this, plan this way, invest this amount. No. They'll ask you, what's your goal? What's your ambition? And then give you the tools to achieve that goal. That's the difference. And in this class, it's not theory. You leave the class with practical processes that, if you follow, will get you the results that have changed the lives of thousands. Hey, if you don't believe me, just check on our YouTube channel on Centonomy for the thousands of testimonials of lives that have been changed by coming through this program. How do we do it? First of all, we help you to take control of your finances. We help you to understand how money works and then the choices that will get you to your goal. Next, we discuss investments, and we bring in industry experts to help you not to follow what they say, but to give you their experience so that you can make personal choices. Finally, we bring in industry experts to help you protect your money, lawyers, tax experts, and insurance experts to help you make a plan that's right for you. At the end of all of that, we put together a 5-year, let me take that back. You put together your 5-year financial plan that will get you to your goal. That's what Centonomy 101 does for you and has done for thousands others. Now, the class starts in February of 2024. Register on the link below and we'll send you all the information that you need to get you to your goals. Your goals, your plans, your ambitions, just for you. See you in Centonomy 101 in 2024.